What is up, bros? Welcome back to the channel. So pretty much today we're going to be installing the Spec ISR performance exhaust on the 99 Miata. It's just going to be a direct fit replacement. Just take out your old exhaust, put this one back in. All the hangers go in the rubber grommets underneath your car. It's going to be a pretty quick and easy install. To show you what we got: 2 gaskets for, both ends. They give you this adapter. It threads in right here, and then your downstream O2 sensor hits in here. This is supposed to reduce the flow so that Miata doesn't throw a code. That's kind of neat. Give you the hardware for the flanges, and basically it's just a hot pocket. Just so you know, 15 mil and a 16 mil are the sockets for the hardware. And also this one is a 27 mil. If you don't got that, just use a crescent wrench, you'll be good. But anyway, let's get into this install. And that was the exhaust install pretty much for me anyways. Exhaust is right there. I have this Raceland header. I bought this because it was like the cheapest header I could find. Since I'm not going to be using a header, later on I'm going to get a turbo manifold, and since the car is going to be turboed, I'm not going to be using it. So I wanted to get one cheap because I don't plan on using that one forever, and that's going to go right up to that. Exhausts are the same size, so it looks like that it's going to hook straight up to that. I'm not going to have to put any other pipe in there, no cat or any crap like that. It's just going to hook right up to it. And I haven't, maybe I should hook this up and then just leave it out of the way and drop the motor in. That would probably be easiest. I'll probably do that. I haven't gotten my parts back from the machine shop yet. Once I get those back, put the motor together, drop it in the car, then we can hear a startup. But look at this beautiful thing. It is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's like, ooh. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the exhaust or header or any of that stuff. Subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Peace out. Thanks for watching.